Hello everyone, my name is Stef and welcome to this video about explaining the TD sequential. This is a short summary of how to use the TD sequential and make huge gains in the markets. The TD sequential was created by Tom Demark in his book The New Science of Technical Analysis. He explains the details of how he used and how he made some huge profits in the markets. We will be using in the cryptocurrency market, and I will give you a short summary of how to use it. Basically, there is two things about the TD sequential: the TD countdown buy and the TD countdown sell. And for the TD countdown to begin, you want the red 2 and below a red 1, and then the sequence completes when there is a red 9 candle. A perfected 9, it's a candle which is lower for a buy than the two previous candles, so this was a perfected 9. And if the next candle is lower than that, then there is a chance that the trend is going even lower, and then it brings a red 13, which is another continuation of the TD sequential system. But basically you want to use the perfected 9 for your entries, and also the TD sequential is great because it uses the risk management and money management. So for your risk, you use the height of the candle and you draw it down. And if you don't have this risk line, and you have your risk amount and risk level, stop level, and that's for the buy countdown. For the TD sell setup, you want a green 2 above green 1, and then you want a perfected 9, which you have it, and you see there was no perfected 9, and probably this was, but it was it didn't close above the previous red 2 candles, and it drew a 9 and it reset. So this is your perfected 9 or 8, because the 8 is low, it's higher than the previous 2 candles or 3 candles. And then you have another buy signal, and then you will buy it, but then you that will be a loss because there was no perfected 9 and it completed the TD reset countdown. And that's how you basically use the TD sequential. When for TD countdown buy, you want a red 2 below a red 1, and for a TD countdown sell, you want a green 2 above green 1. So you want to this system is great for using on the daily, on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, and you can scalp it with this system. In the next video I will use the SAR to time your entries, and probably we'll use some kind of confirmation to see if the trend is if you want to enter or not, based on TD sequential. And that's how I use the TD sequential. I hope you like it, and share it with your friends. Subscribe on my channel, and if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. See you soon, guys.